Hey girl, what's up? Happy New Year. Welcome to my tiny ass nail room. This literally was a storage room that I transformed into the space, and let me tell you, it took a long time to get it to where it is today. And you know me, I'll forever be changing, adding, you name it. But in this corner, we have e-nail products, we have glitters, gel pots, all kinds of different nail accessories. I have some kawaii claws, painting gels in those two drawers there, the purple. Then I have a lot of nail jewels and chrome powders, some young nails acrylic that needs to go somewhere else. I have nail forms, and then a ton of more acrylic powders, and all these drawers are full to the max. And I try to keep everything as organized as I possibly can because, girl, we're literally in a closet. This bin here, I'm trying to get rid of. It's over 100 acrylic powders that I don't need. They're barely used. Like, they're just wasting up space. On this side, I have my little tiny pink Christmas tree that I usually keep up all year round because I can decorate it for all seasons. You know what I mean? And I have a lot of extra storage in these bins that's just like extra supplies and stuff, like when I get low on lint wipes or dental bibs and stuff like that, I can just go in there. This section here is just a bunch of randomness. I have inks, gel polishes, nail art, nail parts, glitters, all that kind of stuff over here. And then my desk is a little bit of everything too. I have tried to keep everything in containers and organized so everything's clean and dust free. I have chrome applicators, sanding bands, wipes, and all that kind of stuff that I need to do my nails. I have my live-in hand model girl. She lives rent-free, okay? And this corner picture is where I started. Literally had nothing. And I've slowly, over the last few years, built everything that I have today. So never give up on yourself, okay? I'm living proof that you can come from nothing and get what you need over time, slowly but surely. So this rack is double rowed on each shelf so that I can fit most of everything on there. I do have a lot of stuff that I still have to figure out. I might have to add another shelf on top of the rack so that I can fit more polishes and stuff like that, but that's like another project. On this side of my desk, I have more polishes, more nail art. All these drawers are full of nail parts, glitters, jewels, you name it. So that's pretty much that corner. But yeah, I don't do nails from home. I don't take clients. This is just my own personal happy place. In this corner, I have a lot of nail charms, nail jewels, nail parts, my apres tips, some more gel, stones, all nail, like, accessory related stuff on those shelves. And then up there, I have some more gels, top coats, base coats, stuff like that. Swatch sticks, which is not even half the swatch sticks, some randomness there, and then like color gel cards so I know what colors I have and stuff like that. And then on the top of this shelf I have like some random plushies. The second shelf is all my sticker books and some more nail stuff. I have chrome powders in there, glitters, nail molds, all kinds of stuff. But yeah, this is just my own personal happy place, and I love it. I don't work in a salon anymore. I don't work from home. This is just for me to create nails, do my own nails, do content, stuff like that. And you know what's really actually crazy? When I first started doing my own nails, I just did it because I wanted to do my own nails. And then it slowly escalated into me going to nail school, getting my diploma. And then next thing you know, I was working in a salon, which I'm totally grateful for the experience, don't get me wrong, but it was never really something that I wanted to do. I just wanted to do my own nails. And then it just kind of spiraled into all these other avenues, which I'm totally grateful for. Again, don't get me wrong. But now I'm doing what I always wanted to do, which is just my own nails and creating content, doing PR, stuff like that. And I'm so happy for my nail journey, and I wouldn't change any of it. But yeah, this is my little tiny nail room inside of a closet. That whole back wall is full of those long shelves that you see at the top with the pink bins. I took them all out and started creating this. And yeah, you'd never know it was here because it's literally in a closet. So unless you open it up, you'd never see it. And honestly, that's one thing I love about this closet is because it's separate from the house. It doesn't take any space from the house. And it also is secure and away from my son, so he can't get into anything. He knows how to open the closet doors, but he knows he's not allowed to come in here. And he's always supervised, so I don't have to worry about him messing around with my stuff. But yeah, this is such a joy to have, and I love coming in here. If you guys enjoyed watching this, give this video a like. Let me know your thoughts and comments down below. If you have any questions about anything, if you want to know where anything is from or any type of question, just let me know in the comment box. And I will leave my other 2 videos from my other nail rooms that I had from my last place down below as well, so you can check those out if you're interested. But again, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Or if you didn't, also you can let me know either way. But thank you again, and I'll see you in the next one.